Achieving a good night's rest has a significant impact on our overall well-being from day to day. Incorporating certain habits such as getting 8 hours of sleep, using eco-friendly bedding, and decreasing light or noise in your sleep environment all have an impact on your sleep quality. But did you know that your environment's air quality may also affect your sleep? Falling asleep in a room with poor indoor air quality may be difficult, and those who can fall asleep may wake up groggy. Additionally, increased CO2 levels in the home can result in headaches, drowsiness, and difficulty concentrating, all of which can negatively impact sleep quality. Aside from mood and cognitive problems, poor indoor air quality can also lead to respiratory issues. Prolonged exposure to airborne allergens, such as mold spores, pet dander, and dust mites can trigger allergic reactions, especially in individuals with allergies. So, how can you improve your indoor air quality? Let's go over 5 effective ways to improve your indoor air quality for a night of healthy sleep. 1. Clean your home on a regular basis with non-toxic products. 2. Install an air purifier to eliminate allergens and pollutants from the air. 3. Take advantage of natural ventilation by opening your windows when the weather is good. 4. Regularly maintain your HVAC system to prevent the spread of airborne viruses and allergens. 5. Remove indoor plants to avoid allergies from mold growth. Improving your indoor air quality may seem like a daunting task. Luckily, installing an air purifier can have a positive impact on your home's indoor air quality. Our EnviroKlenz air systems effectively remove 99.9% of airborne sleep irritants. Contain non-toxic technology that never off gases or releases pollutants. And they help reduce allergens for symptom-free sleep. When you improve your indoor air quality, you're improving your overall health and well-being. 5 benefits of healthy indoor air quality include: eliminates allergies in the bedroom at night, results in better sleep quality, promotes environmental sustainability, improves cognitive function, and it makes breathing easier. Discover a safe and effective solution for clean air today at EnviroKlenz.com.